Buenos dias. Good day, everyone. Today, we delve into the fundamental aspect of law that shapes our legal systems and governs our society, and that is jurisdiction. Imagine a word of authority, a framework within which laws operate, determining who has the power to make and enforce laws in particular area. The word jurisdiction is basically a legal term for power. It derives from the Latin word jus or juris, which means law, and dicere, which means to speak. The term jurisdiction refers to the authority or power that a court or official body has to make legal decisions and judgments. Criminal jurisdiction is a term used in constitutional law and public law to describe the power of courts to hear a case brought by a state accusing a defendant of the commission of crime. For example, if someone is charged with robbery, the court with criminal jurisdiction in that area would have the authority to hear the case and determine the guilt or innocence of the accused. This authority is typically outlined in state or law and allows courts to prosecute individuals who have been accused of committing crimes with their jurisdictions. So basically, the term jurisdiction refers to the authority or power that a court or official body has to make legal decisions and judgments. It essentially refers to the scope or extent of their power to enforce laws, resolve disputes, and administer justice within a specific geographic area or over a particular subject matter. Here are the four forms of jurisdictions. First is we have the territorial jurisdiction. Second is we have the extraterritorial jurisdiction. Third, we have the universal jurisdiction. And lastly, we have the personal jurisdiction.
Territorial jurisdiction. It refers to jurisdiction over cases arising and involving persons residing within the defined territory. Now, for example, a state court in California has territorial jurisdiction over cases that occur within the boundaries of California. They cannot go beyond California, just within California. That is territorial jurisdiction.
So when we say extraterritorial jurisdiction, it refers to a country's ability to enforce its law beyond its own borders. So this typically occurs when a country's law apply to certain actions or individuals, even when they are in the other country. So example of extraterritorial jurisdiction is counterfeiting Philippine peso. So a person went to the other country and commit a crime of counterfeiting Philippine peso. So with that action, the host country can assert the extraterritorial jurisdiction and prosecute the individual by its own law.
Universal jurisdiction allows state or international organization to claim criminal jurisdiction over an accused person regardless of where the alleged crime was committed and regardless of the accused's nationality, country of residence, or any other relative with a free prosecuting entity. An example of universal jurisdiction is the prosecution of individuals for war crimes, genocide, or crimes against humanity.
Personal jurisdiction gives the court authority to determine the rights and liabilities of a person or entity, such as corporations or partnerships involved in a lawsuit. For example, a court has personal jurisdiction over individuals who reside or have their primary residence within the geographic boundaries of its jurisdiction.
As we conclude our exploration into jurisdiction, we're reminded of its omnipresence in our legal systems. From the local courthouse to the international stage, jurisdiction dictates the boundaries of legal authority. It ensures order, fairness, and accountability. Understanding jurisdictions empowers us to navigate legal complexities and safeguard our rights. Let us continue to appreciate its importance and strive for a just and equitable society. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the realm of jurisdiction.